Okay, so here is the YouTube video. When I show you me uploading the YouTube video, that I have created a title and description within Scalenut. What's Scalenut? It's an AI writer. It does quite a lot. It does all sorts of titles, descriptions, writes adverts, questions, full blog posts, which is quite unique as well. And I've been quite impressed with the quality of it. I do use other AI writers, so let's jump in. Oh yeah, link in description if you want to try it out. Give it a try. You get a 7-day trial, but it's not one of these trials where you can't do everything. You can do everything in the free trial, and you get a big word allowance. You get 35,000 words, 5,000 words a day to try it out. So check it out in the link in description. Let's jump in, though. So there is the video uploaded. It's probably going to take ages and ages, this, because I'm still in my van. With slow internet today. Sometimes it's good. It's not very fast today. And here in Scalenut, I'm doing this the wrong way around. I'm on the description first. So there is the description that was created using AI. Yeah, YouTube videos aren't meant to have long descriptions. Of course, you can create long form content with these AI writers, but with this one, there is what Scalenut told me to, well, not told me, that wrote for me. And it wrote it all from the title. So if I go back to my docs in Scalenut and I look at my docs, is my Scalenut title, and I'm going to copy that and paste it into the video. Here we go. I'm just going to add, using Scalenut, I'm just going to go Scalenut. I'm going to put AI in there. I've just decided I want a bit of AI in it. But anyway, there you go. There's the video. I'm going to let it upload. I will probably do other things I do to the video, like, you know, pasting my other stuff in there. I've got to put my link so that you can try it out. And a couple of my, well, just other stuff I put in my video. So let's let it upload. Let's pause the video, and then we'll put it on Facebook, not even Facebook, YouTube, and we'll see if it appears there in any of the search engines for, you know, Scalenut or Scalenut AI. Okay, so I'm back. Yeah, so I've got the video more or less ready to go now and upload it. How to create the YouTube video. So that was created with Scalenut, and there's the description created with Scalenut. All I've done is I've put my link in for the try a 7-day free trial in it. I have also added the chapters into the video, just so that when you're watching it, you can find out each little bit. And I've also added my bit at the bottom of it. But it is, the main description is the main text created using Scalenut. So that video is ready to go now. So we're going to post it. And what I'll do is I'll pause this video and I'll add on a bit now where we do a bit of search and just see if it shows up anywhere, you know, because that's what you want, is that when people search for, you know, Scalenut title and description of a video, for this video to show up. So I think we click save now. Getting very annoyed by the very slow internet in my van today. It's weird, isn't it, how 4G is sometimes really fast, and then on days like today, it's just really slow. But that's not Scale's fault. That's Scalenut's fault. That's I won't tell you which mobile operator it is. Just annoying. Put a bigger mast up. Right, so that's it. Okay. Oh yeah, I did my thumbnail as well. So that video should now be live on YouTube, is it? Right, so here we go. And here is a tip on how you can find out how your videos are actually appearing on the searches on YouTube, and then you can improve them. No point doing it while you are logged in, because while you're logged in, it will push your videos up higher on your search, so that if your video creates that title, it'll show it. So we don't want that. So you go on to Google Chrome Incognito. A shortcut for Google Chrome Incognito is Control-Shift-N, and that'll bring up Incognito. And then every time you do it, annoyingly, it also says about the cookies and everything, because it thinks you're a new user. So here is the YouTube search on Incognito, and I put scale. What do we put? Scalenut AI title description. So if somebody was using Scalenut and wanted to learn how to use a title and description, that's possibly something they would put. Let's click return. Look at that. Straight away. Who's there? That's me there. All right. Let's try something else. So what else did I say in the video? How to create YouTube title or description. Create. I don't think AI will show. I'd love it if it did. YouTube title and description using AI. I think we are dreaming here that this is going to appear anywhere, because obviously There you go. Now, that's not me making this up. You can check, you can verify and ask anybody else. So that is, look at that. Create YouTube title description using AI. And there is my video using Scalenut. Now, I didn't think it was going to be, I didn't think we had a chance on that. Wow. And that, someone tell me if I'm wrong, but that is not wrong. That's how it works. If you're on incognito, it's not searching for mine. It's not giving me any priority. All right. And you can see that I'm top of the pile. Wow. I think a lot of you are going to be clicking in the link there, aren't you? This is not being spoofed or made up in any way. That is quite exciting. Right. I suggest you give it a try. Click on the link in my description of this video. Try it out for 7 days. See if it can do the same thing that is. I'm buzzing on that. Right. That's enough to be said. I don't have to jump out and say anything. I'll just jump out quickly and go, wow! Genuinely impressed with that. I did not think it was going to show for anything about AI that didn't include the word Scalenut, but it does. And there's my cheesy thumbs up thumbnail. So yeah, do follow me for more tips like this. AI is very interesting. Getting optimized on YouTube is very interesting as well. I will be doing a few videos about tips for that. There are a few little secrets I can let you know if the money's right. I'm only joking. Thanks for subscribing. I will see you next time. Another one. I'm still excited. I can't even speak.